Okay, we have our realistic MG-1 here. The last thing we did to it was we replaced the divide down chips. The divide down chips were model numbers or part numbers MM5823N. Let's see if that shows up. Doesn't show up. And we replaced them with another divide down chip that we acquired from Lowry, Oregon. So what we did here is we replaced, okay, we put the new chips here, but we had to also replace the sockets. So now they have machine sockets there, and just drop them right in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to test this. So we're going to go ahead and do our fire up. Make sure that when you work on stuff like this that you don't touch any mains voltage there. You'll get a shock, possibly kill yourself. Okay, we have this set up on a strip, so we'll go ahead and turn on the strip first, and we'll turn on the device. Actually, we'll plug it into the amplifier there, and okay, it's on. An indicator that we would know that it's working is this should start glowing. There we go. So that's your modulation there, your LFO. Okay, we have sound. Oh, it seems to be working fine. Okay, so we now know that each individual note plays, and if you play one note and another note, then you have your priority. Your high note priority is working. Glide's working. Okay, that seems to be working just fine. Let's check our polyphony section. Let's go ahead and turn these down here. So our monophonic section's out. We turn up our polyphony. Okay. Oh, we hear something here. We have a bum note. Okay, so we have a bum note between each G. It's giving us like a sine, not a sine, excuse me, a sawtooth instead of some type of square. This would be a square sound tone, square wave. We have a sawtooth wave there for some reason, and because it's on every G, then we can tell that it's coming from one of the chips. So, sorry eBay, but apparently all 6 chips aren't that good. You know, whatever I got out there was faulty, and it happens. So what I'll do next is we'll get in there and we'll find out which one it is. So, but so far I'm happy because I know that this is working. And before we had 3 notes at a time not working, and then we had maybe the D key wasn't working here, but it's working now. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and power this down, pop the hood open, swap out the chip, see if it makes a difference.